Cadavo! Hello. How you doing? You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to the camera? No, you're just gonna pull your feet. Right? Right? Can you steal a kiss from me? Can you steal a kiss from me? Oh, ready? You ready? 1, 2. Thank you!
Wait, let's see if she'll lick you again. Wait, hang on. Let me get in a good position.
Okay.
So we can see
One more
the
try?
lick.
One more try.
Give Dad kisses.
Give me kisses. Thank you.
We got your kisses on video.
We got it.
And who taught you how to kiss?
The doggies.
Did Shadow and Scouty teach you how to kiss? I think so. Oh, another trick or treat.